I am from Philadelphia, Northeast, and they're friendly, and they've made me feel a part of their team here, and everybody's smiling. It's not scary, no, not that scary thing. Well, Dr. Patel was very informative. He went over everything. He didn't try to cut it short. He didn't try to, just go and get it over with. He was willing to spend time, and very, very friendly. Definitely go to a seminar. They're so informative. They're so wonderful. You feel it's relaxing, and nobody's pressuring you, and you can ask questions. The seminar was, like I said, was wonderful.
Call us at 215-710-0051 or visit us online at alphadentalecellence.com.